What's going on, guys? My name is Barry. Welcome to Huang Bros. Today I'm going to talk about my exhaust, my ARK exhaust. I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys about my exhaust. So you're going to see some drive-bys, you're going to see some cold starts, you're going to see just a typical regular exhaust video. So enjoy. My car is not fully warmed up yet, so I can't exactly cut loose with it, but once it does, I'm cutting loose. You could bet that. So as my engine is warming up before I can cut loose, I'm gonna let you guys talk about the exhaust right now. So the exhaust right now is an ARK grip exhaust. Currently, this is just an exhaust, no headers, and you could just listen to it. Currently, you know, it's not that loud, and it's not that there's not much drone inside the car, so I like it personally. I personally like the tone. It's not American Muscle like, it's very JDM like. It's got Lexus, you know, JDM, so it's keeping in traditions with the Japanese. So but this is me accelerating just a little bit. Yep. It's slightly warmed up. Crack the window a little bit. Alright, go for a straight. Probably hear mostly engine, but their exhaust is still there. But if you just listen, I don't think there's any drone. That's just me though. So this right here is currently at 4th gear with about 2,000 RPM. It's not that loud. You guys hear any drones? No, I don't hear any drone. Which is why I love this exhaust. The fact that this car doesn't have that much drone, or doesn't really have drone, it makes it perfect for a daily driver. Might disturb the piece a little bit, just to show you guys exhaust. 2nd gear. Not a bad exhaust, right? It's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. There's no drone. It sounds really good. It's got a deep tone. This is in normal and drive. Really, there's no drone. I'm at 60 miles an hour. myself a little spot here to do a bunch of revs without disturbing the peace. So this is what it sounds like inside the cabin. That was a bad rev. That's what it sounds like from the outside. So I think another benefit of the ARK exhaust is that it isn't that loud, which is great. One, for those that don't like loud exhaust. Two, for racetracks that requires a lower decibel. So I know ARK exhaust, they advertise 92 decibel at 3,000 RPM. I can only imagine what it is like a little higher. So far it's good. I was able to go to Laguna Seca with it, but to a certain sound decibel level day. But what I'm trying to say is that certain racetracks require certain sound decibels, and ARK exhaust would probably help you in that category. Back in the town of Grafenwehr, and I gotta say, this exhaust is, well, you know, this exhaust, I think it's tolerable. I'm riding around in second gear right now. Just listen to it. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, nice and deep in throat. All right, I'm gonna pull in to one of these parking spots here. Okay, well, I think that's gonna end today's video. If you guys have any questions about the ARK exhaust, please let me know, or please leave a comment below. I'll answer them, of course. And just want to say thank you for supporting, thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. Peace.